everybody, a pleasant day. Nandito tayo live. Kasama natin ang ating mga business partners dito sa Sweden. Mahangin nga, oh. Ito yung sinasabi namin, we can do the business anytime and anywhere. Kasama natin ang ating ICU nurse, thriving and rocking the digital world, Mentor Bambi, and ang ating chef, galing pa sa ibang city, Nurse Shopping City, Chef Michelle.
Say hello, Chef.
Nurse Bambi and Chef Michelle. Ayan. Okay, so dito kami maglilibot-libot kami. Ano ito siya? St. Lars Church dito sa Link Shopping, Sweden. Ayan, dito kami sa Centrum. Mag-interview tayo on the spot.
Oh my God! Oh my God. Okay.
Tanungin natin ating mga magigiting at nagagandahang mga business partners kung ano ba talaga ang dahilan bakit pinasok nila ang digital business na ito. O sige na, here they are. Ano ang inyong turning point? Bakit talaga nag-decide kayo na pasukin ang digital business? Kasi may mga work naman tayo, di ba? Ano talaga? Sino ang una mag-present? Okay.
Very good.
Chef Michelle.
Yeah, I'm working as a full-time chef before I saw this business, before I went in this business. Then I don't have really time to spend with my family. Lagi na lang akong nagtatrabaho ng overtime and a big responsibility and so tired, stressed. But when I went across in one advertisement in this business, then I took a step.
Yeah.
Then I'm really happy that I did it. Kasi ngayon nagkaroon na ako ng enough time sa family ko. Nakapag-travel kami. Then less stress, less tired.
Yes.
So that's why I'm really happy to know this business, and I'm in.
At then, nag-time ka ngayon na mag-meet sa amin, di ba?
Yes, katulad niya, may time ako. May time na ako.
Pero before ka pumasok, sis, parang kinabahan ka din. Parang skeptical ka din.
Yeah, my husband is so skeptical, of course, me also, and especially my husband. But I took a step because I believe, when I saw this business, I believe the potential is really big. So, hindi ako nagkamali. So, I'm in. Then, still.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay. O ibang-ibang kagandahan ng chef. Kahit mahangin, beauty pa rin.
Mahangin talaga sa
Mahangin
sa labas.
Okay, ito naman ating ICU nurse rocking the business with back-to-back business expansion.
Yeah, thank you, Lord. Ako din, nakarelate ako kay Sis Michelle, no, kay Chef Michelle, na I also really want to reclaim my time. Kasi before I saw this business, I was really looking for some hope na how can I do it? Kasi kahit maganda pa yung kitaan sa nursing, at saka meron din akong business, meron talagang something na I have to go to work, I have to do this, pero gusto ko bilhin yung oras ko. So, before I saw this business, I was pregnant, then I was working in a COVID department, and then nakikita ko yung maraming work from home. Hindi ko naman madala yung mga pasyente ko sa bahay. So I was really looking for business na that I can do anywhere, kahit nag-travel, kahit nasa bahay, without leaving my kids. So ito yung pinaka-reason ko, pinaka-turning point ko na sa being a working or being an employee, we are very replaceable. Tapos we don't own our time. In this business, I own my time. This time, I am so grateful, like Chef Michelle, na this time I'm able to work whenever I want, and then gaya ng sinabi ni Teacher Ann na back-to-back business blessings, kasi meron talagang makaka-relate sa mga ninanais natin to reclaim our time. Who doesn't want to reclaim our time, do the business anywhere, and then the business is running na kasi may system na nga kami, madali lang din siyang gawin. And then if I can reduce my 25 years working as an ICU nurse to 2 to 3 years in this business, that's a no-brainer. Yeah. I really hope that marami ding maka-resonate sa mga passion namin to be with our family, and not just about income, no? Malaki yung kitaan, yung income potential malaki, pero iba-iba yung mga journeys namin. Pero yung talagang you're doing this for your family, reclaim your time, tapos yung di ka na mag-iisip sa retirement mo. So that's a plus to this business. Plus, you will get to see and meet lots of beautiful mom.
Yes,
So,
okay.
Tsaka
Thank
hindi
you so
ka,
much, ang
kahit na
galing.
wala kang experience dito, huwag ka matakot dahil may mga mentors, coaches na tutulong sa'yo para mag-start ang iyong new journey.
Oo nga, parang family na tayo
Oo.
dito, di ba? Sa ako naman is yung parang I was longing for something na makapag-support ng aking mga missions ng aming mag-asawa. At yung turning point ko talaga is yung nung nawala ng trabaho nga ng aking asawa, nung pandemic at nag-aaral siya, syempre iba ang financial status. So, ako na may trabaho at may potential na makapag-earn pa, pinasok ko ito dahil, wow, nag-ano talaga siya, nakapag-suporta ng aming mga mission na makatulong sa mga batang nag-aaral. So, parang, ano siya, answered prayers talaga. Ang pagdating ni Mentor Bambi,
thank you, Lord.
na siyang nagtulong, unwavering support niya as my mentor at ng ating mga team din na kung may kailangan, nandyan sila na wala, hindi ka pababayaan. And of course, big help din ang system ng business na siya nating pag-uusapan ngayon. Next question natin ay ano ang kagandahan sa business na ito na parang nakikita naming nakapagbago ng aming buhay. Okay, so
Ako, yung business is like para siyang manliligaw. kahit nasa work ako, minsan kinikilig na lang ako kasi there's a notification, email notification that I have clients, and then the business is answering on my behalf. Kasi nandun ako I'm doing my passion as an ICU nurse, but then ang business naman is doing its promise to reach out my clients. So nagpapadala siya ng info on kung merong mga interested or aspiring clients na wanted to do the business or wanted to know the business. So nagpapadala siya ng email. Even if I'm sleeping, nagpapadala din. And then, I can reach worldwide at a very
parang
minimum.
too good to be true pala.
True,
Kahit na natutulog,
Maraming,
diba?
yeah, maraming mga friends
Pero
din.
totoo.
Yes, marami akong mga close friends na nagsasabi it's too good to be true. But let me tell you, those that are telling that, so it's too good to be true, pero it's true. It's hard to believe lang kasi you are not there yet. Kami nga nakasilita sa business. So I don't think we are this kind enough to scam all of you. Gusto lang talaga namin ma-share yung blessings kasi iba talaga yung blessing pag shared. Kasi iba din yung blessing na parang nasa sayo lang. Then you're not being a child of God. Kasi a child of God, for me as a believer, a child of God should share something na parang tinatawag sa Swedish na vettig, yung maganda siya ba, i-share. Instead na mag-share tayo ng mga viral na mga chismis, why not share blessings, right?
Oo. And the more you share your blessings, it will open the gateway to more and more blessings kasi na-empty yung cup mo. So, the more na may space ka sa marami pang papasok na blessing. And talking about that, kami ni Sis Michelle, what a small world kasi nasa isang online business kami before. na found out namin na ay magkasama pala tayo doon at saka syempre mga hindi magandang experience doon ay napalitan ng magandang experience at benefits sa business na ito. Kaya nandito kami small world, nakita kami at na-feel namin kakaiba talaga ito kasi ang benefit especially with our automated system, yun na na-enjoy namin kasi ngayon, nalimbawa, no, Sunday, parang the business is still running kahit kami ay nagkikita-kita dito. So, may mga natatanggap kaming notifications dyan na, uy, kahit nagbabanding tayo, nag-fellowship, merong pumapasok na mga inquiries, clients, and leads na mga future business partners. Okay, let's listen from Chef Michelle.
So we're sharing this business because we want to share our blessing. Kaya nandito kami kasi gusto nga namin na ma-feel nyo rin. Yung na-feel namin, masubukan nyo rin ang business. Kasi sa sinabi nga ni Sis Ana, meron kaming online business before na marami rin pero hindi, ito talaga totoo. Kasi wala, I can't say it's really true. Then so
to back that up, no, na it's really true. Aside na nagla-live kami, nagpo-post kami showing our faces, yung mga scam or yung mga parang promising businesses, sometimes they are behind cameras, which is also maybe understandable kasi siguro nahihiya sila. Pero for us, it's really legal. Our papers, we live in a tax world, a tax country na Sweden. Dito bawal talaga magnegosyo na parang under the table, whatever. May mga rules talaga at
Black and
matatag
white
talaga. Black and white. It's either you register your business or register it afterwards, or don't register your business and suffer the consequences. Yeah, pero kami, we started with legal kasi confident kami na ang business makakasupport talaga sa mga business tax expenses.
And to support that, siguro naman makikita nyo na hindi namin itataya ang aming mga beauties. Joke. Ang aming mga pangalan, ang aming mga dignidad. Just
And show
think
our
about it.
family also.
Oh, yeah. So, money is just money. Pero yung makukuha yung dignidad mo just because craving ka or may greed ka sa maraming material na bagay, parang hindi naman maganda, ano. So, kami nag-share lang ng opportunities, nasa sayo pa rin, depende pa rin sa'yo, nasa iyo ang decision.
Sharing our
If you're
experiences.
interested, ganyan. Kami, we are not hesitant to share this kasi na-experience na namin kung ano ang benefits ng business. And by the way, hello, mega love shout out, Mrs. Veggie, Kuya Nat, sa Assistant Net, sa ating mga viewers dyan. Hi!
Sis Reggie is Ate Ann's business partner
Yes.
sa New York. So, global
From
ang
New
business.
York.
Yeah, global,
Okay.
yeah.
Global ang business, hindi siya limited na kung saan ka lang nakatira. So, hindi.
Tsaka dito marami ka matututunan kahit na hindi ka marunong mag-computer. May mga training kami, may mga training na dapat mo na lang sundan. Tapos
Yes, so.
sabi ko nga na mentor, coaches, nandito kami lahat.
Yeah.
Ako, pwede nyo akong gisingin. Sabihan nyo lang ako kahit 24 hours. Basta papatulogin nyo ako before and after.
Nurse,
I,
nurse
I
yan,
can,
yeah.
I will really divulge my time kasi sinasabi talaga namin almost every now and then na we are helping people, and if you wanted to help people, to raise people up, of course you will not leave them behind, right? Pag nakukuha mo na yung commission mo, whatever, parang pangit yon. Dapat lahat angat.
Oo. Lahat angat. And
So this is not a pyramid business. So you know, it's
Bawal
not pyramid.
yung pyramid, at saka we believe in God, bawal yung pyramid, at ayaw namin mabad karma. Gusto lang namin yung good karma.
Oo. And talking about the help from our community. Ay, sorry. Okay, so eto kami, may mentorship, may coaching, at saka ang system namin ay may step-by-step na system na basta ang question lang is, are you willing to learn, or are you coachable, or are you interested? Kasi ang ano mo lang dito is, kung willing kang matuto, ayan, madali lang sa'yo. So, okay.
Saka hindi lang about willing na matuto. Yung thought na if you can shortcut your parang how many years to before your retirement, like if you can shortcut your 20 years to like 1 to
Ganda
3
ng view.
years, why not? Tapos yung willing matuto, okay lang yun eh. Pero yung to change your family's status, lalo na tayo mga immigrant, OFW, yung mga sapat lang yung mga kinikita, this is really a blessing. Ang dami, thousands around the world na
Naka-benefit.
na-change na yung buhay nila because of this business. So, if mapakita namin,
The church is supporting.
if mapakita namin yan through this business, we are more than successful kasi iba yung parang pinakita ng business eh, parang hope, opportunity. Wala kami dito if hindi kami kumakapit doon. This is for our family, and do this for your family as well.
Tsaka isipin na lang natin na yung life natin, yung health natin, hindi lagi tayo healthy. So in this business, you can do. I mean, why you working so hard? Why you working so, like me as a chef, why you working so long time? O sen, hindi mo na magawa yung gusto mong gawin, di ba? Na kumbaga wala ka na rin time sa sarili mo, hindi ka makapag-exercise, hindi ka di ba? Life is short. So that's, kailangan, doon ko naisip na kailangan ko nang gumawa ng paraan. Dahil hindi na rin ako, na-feel ko na hindi na rin ako bata. Matanda na rin tayo, nagkakaedad na rin tayo. So habang meron pa akong lakas, na ma-spend sa family ko habang yung mga anak ko nandito pa sa amin. So I want to take more memories, more time, spend time with them. So that's now.
Yes. And I agree with you, Sis Mitch, na nothing is really certain in this world. So, kailangan meron tayong plan B. Pero may nagtanong sa atin na bakit daw ba nagtatrabaho pa rin tayo? Kasi sabi natin, thriving and ang ating digital business. Kasi ngayon ang trabaho namin is just a matter of choice. Kasi ako halimbawa, I'm teaching kasi love ko ang teaching. At saka at the same time, wow, earning, having this income stream is more than a bonus. So think about it. Parang sabihin nyo rin na parang you are bragging na pwede kang may possibility na kikita ka ng more pa sa iyong salary.
True.
So,
This is our choice. I love cooking.
Yeah.
And
so,
also,
I love my work.
Oo.
So don't
Blessings din yung work, and then ganun talaga sa business, merong nagsisimula, merong mga seasoned na, and come to think of it, even sila ni Mark Zuckerberg, yung mga Henry C, yung mga billionaires, they are still working, right? But they're working through their money. Yun din yung ginagawa namin. So, through our minimal investment, so nagraran yung business. So, how will you not say yes to both? Meron ka ng business na giving you passive income, meron ka pang active income from your work, and then sa work namin, iba yung fulfillment na nakikita namin. Nasasarapan sila sa mga luto ni Sis Michelle. Tapos si Ate Ann, na-encourage niya yung mga bata to go to school, to learn. Ako, I was able to witness life and death situation. If nagagawa, positive ngayon kasi nagagawa namin yung business while we are doing our work. Yeah, and that's and also millionaire mindset na tips lang pag may business tayo, wag change agad yung life status, yung lifestyle. Kasi yun yung mga failures na pumapasok na yung mga failures doon. Kaya kailangan meron ka talagang naiipon na. Do not ipon it for yourself. Invest, roll the money out, tapos mag-share ka rin sa iba.
Yeah.
Kasi pag palagi ka lang nag-earn ka na sa business, tapos gasto ka, money is very fleeting, nawawala lang din yan. So, it's called financial discipline.
Oh, okay.
Financial discipline. So, maganda yung maraming blessings.
Yeah. At enjoy din kami, of course, sa aming community at mga trainings namin na hindi ka na magbabayad ng paulit-ulit, di ba? Anong training na enjoy nyo so far? Like for example, using the Canva, di ba? Na flash dyan minsan mga ads ng mga training sa Facebook na napakamahalong bayaran, at least $100 or even more. So dito sa aming digital business, ang trainings namin ay nakapackage na at laging merong bago mo matutunan. So,
state of the art din siya. Kasi yung mga AI, like me, that doesn't know how to do like page numbers sa computer, marunong akong gumawa ng website. Meron ng website. Marunong akong alam ko yung anong mga components to have a website. Na kailangan mo pala ng domain. I don't know domain because I'm a nurse and I'm a management accounting. Siguro mga IT world lang yung mga...
Ang galing mo na sa content mo ngayon sa vlog.
Because of the business, and not only because of the business or training, because talaga, let's give credits to our founders, our volunteers sa business, our coaches, our co-business owners. Kasi from other works, all walks of life May iba mga IT, sis Donna from New Zealand, may iba taga Las Vegas, magaling sa mga posting, so we are helping. So and also the business is beyond posting talaga. It's really like legal and lifetime business for me. Hindi lang siya posting. Kung posting lang so okay lang mag-post kahit ano. Pero ito talaga is like meron talaga siyang value behind posting. Yung posting lang, it's our way to show to you na ito yung ginagawa namin and it's giving us blessings. So why not share to you guys?
Diba? Pa-scroll. Kung pa-scroll na lang kayo dyan and your social media time is taking so much time. Tapos wala ka namang kikitain, di ba?
Or
Transform
meron yung
it
mga,
into something.
mga reelers or mga digital creators
Oo,
na may kinikita.
yes,
Pero
yes.
konti lang talaga. Pwera na lang yung sa mga millionaires na yung
Oo,
mga
celebrities
followers,
na
mga
marami.
celebrities. Hindi tayo ganun. We are checking, we are talking about those real people talaga. Hindi naman talaga lahat vloggers or whatever.
Yeah.
Hindi tayo Marian Rivera na
Okay.
millionaires ang mga
Yeah.
followers. Ano lang tayo,
So,
simpleng milyonarya lang din.
Alright. Okay. So before we end, ano ba yung ating starting point? Kasi laging tinatanong ng ating mga viewers, so paano ba mag-umpisa kasi interested din sila? Okay, paano?
Yeah. You can, as simple as this, message
Any of
Mentor
us.
Ann, me, or Sis Michelle. Message sa Facebook o kasi minsan nakakahiya mag-comment ba kasi iisipin nyo baka interested to mag-comment or mag-message. Pwede lang mag-message, magtanong about the business. Libre lang yung free info session namin. Pwede din sa website namin pero mas madali talaga mag-message. Message us.
So, don't hesitate to watch ang aming mga introductory webinars and workshop dyan para at least maganda pang meron kayong background talaga sa business na inyong papasukin. So, pinaprovide namin yan para may time kayo mag-isip talaga sa akin to or
And also, it's hard to say yes or no to something that you don't know. Kaya, structure yung business. Free info session. Para malaman nyo din kung ano yung pinapasok nyo. Weird naman if kukunin nyo lang yung words namin. Of course, we will say nice words. Iisipin nyo. Pero we are honest enough and we are people of basta sinasabi ko we are child of God, hindi kami manluloko dito. Yun lang, yun ang pambato ko.
Bakit ko nanloko sa saan ka ba pa talaga magtatago? Uwi ka ng Pinas? Or
Oo, kaya ayaw ko mabuhay sa mga panluloko.
Netherlands? Punta ka sa
Oo,
Hague.
kasi parang ano talaga yan eh, parang you have to be a person of integrity.
Yes.
Kasi that we will be soon partners
Yeah.
if you will be interested in this business. We are teammates. Sinasabi nga ni Ate Ann, hindi lang siya business partners, parang family na rin talaga ang turingan namin. And then, in fact, sa business, yung mga strangers talaga yung nagtra-trust kasi yung friends, marami mga fears, which is understandable. Yung mga friends, baka iba yung priorities nila, which is understandable. Kami lang naman is like channel of blessings. If di maka-resonate sa mga friends namin sa Facebook or sa families, it's fine kasi global naman yung business. Na-relate namin yung Canada, Asia, yung New Zealand.
Yeah.
Saan pa? Ikaw sa
Saan pa?
New York.
Europe,
Sa
dito,
New York,
sa
diba?
Scandinavian,
Sa US.
Americas,
Yeah.
even Africa. Ang dami nating mga business partners.
Sa Vietnam, in India.
Mga Thai.
At saka wala talaga, Thailand, wala talagang sapilitan sa business kasi pangit yung mag-business ka na
Napilitan lang.
Kailangan talaga malaman nyo muna yung basic at ano yung pinasok nyo. So, message us, tanungin nyo kami, kahit anong tanong, valid na naman tanong, basta be respectful lang din. Kasi meron din kasing iba nagtatanong tapos parang judge na agad. Think din na tao lang din tayo na parang napipikon or nasasaktan, whatever. Put yourself also, parang isipin nyo paano kayo mag-approach or kung ikaw yung in-approach na gano'n, maganda ba? So, be kind, use social media properly, use social media sa mga passion mo or sa mga mission mo sa buhay. Do not waste your time in social
Okay.
media lang.
Yes, o siya. Malapit na kayong mag-end. Maraming salamat. Try nga natin. Ito si Sis Veg.
Hi, Sis Veggie!
Try natin.
Oh, sige,
Bring
baka.
them on video.
Oh, wala
Send
lang.
request.
Send
Baka
request.
mag-join siya. Ang aming
Unable
unable.
to
Oh, okay.
Unable.
We were trying na i-add sa sa live ang aming business partner sa USA,
York.
New York.
New York, yeah.
Saan nga si Sis Veg? Sa Queens?
So,
Okay, by the way, salamat sa mga naki-join
Thank you.
sa amin and more
you.
live sessions to come. Ano pa lang ito? Beginning.
Thank you rin
Yeah,
sa mga watch
unang-una.
replay.
Replay, yes. Saan man
Message.
kayo naroroon?
Yeah.
Kasi ano ito, as what we have said, this is global So, kahit saan ka, basta may wifi connection, kahit naka-phone ka, or nasa yung laptop, sa bahay, kahit sa bedroom mo.
Oo, tapos 1 to 2 hours. What is 1 to 2 hours na building your dreams, ha?
Yes.
At tapos kikita pa. Kikita talaga as in.
Oo. Uy, maraming salamat pala, may nag-send ng stars.
Oh, thank you. Ano star?
May
Hi,
star.
stars.
Star like
Hi,
star
stars.
bright.
Ano
May
ba yung star?
kumutitap.
Ano yung star?
Ayun.
Stars.
Okay.
Ah, si Sis Reggie nagsend ng star at saka si
Oh,
Sparky.
wow. Thank you so
Thank
much. Ay,
you.
si Sparky. Hello there. Okay, so baka gusto nyo
So,
i-greet
welcome
ang
to
mga
our future business
family nyo sa
partners.
Philippines at mga
Oo.
friends.
I-greet ko sana yung mama ko na hindi nagfi-Facebook.
Sana baka may mag-regards.
Oo,
Oh.
sana punta siya sa Sweden pero ayaw niya kasi. Pero hindi naman ako namimilit.
Oo.
Pero yung sa akin lang sa lahat ng nanonood or hindi man
Oo.
nakapanood ng live or replay.
Oo.
So, mag-ingat lang kayo. Mag-ingat kayo tapos mag-ingat din kayo sa mag-pray kayo and be
Yes.
kind, be kind.
Yeah, totoo yun. Mag-ingat sa mga pinapasok na business din kasi uso naman ngayon, alam nyo, ang mga scam. Pero dito kami, we are showing our faces, our real names. So, feel free din to check out ng mga background dyan. I-check nyo muna kung yung mga nagsisend ng friends request sa inyo ay legit ba yan na account. Okay? Kasi minsan maraming nanggagaya sa aming mga itsura sa profiles nila. So, careful. O siya, si
So,
Mitch from your
business
end.
partners in Rome, see you on July.
Oh,
Also,
wow!
business partners in Rome.
Sa
Yeah,
ano,
and
sa
I will be
California?
in San Diego also sa June 19
Oh, okay. Yeah.
to 22. Meron kaming convention sa business.
Isa
And
sa
then-
mga benefits pa natin ito.
Yeah, ma-write off
convention.
yung flight ko guys at saka yung mahal ng hotel ha. Ma-write off siya as in parang isang pang Pinas ko na yon pero I don't regret it kasi na-write off naman sa business and that's the benefit. I'm able to travel and earn.
Oo. So,
And then meet the partners.
business
na din.
convention sa iba't ibang countries. So, hopefully
Rome, sa
makikita
Germany.
namin kayo sa Rome
Germany
this
din,
year.
sa
Germany meron din tayo
kasi
this
tapos
year.
na yung
Okay.
Australia.
Oh, wow. O siya. Okay. Don't hesitate to contact any of us. Mentor Bambi, Mentor Michelle, and me, Ann Herstrom. Okay? So, ay, kumusta pala sa akon? Dira nga mga kasiman, mahimata kapamilya sa
Kumusta?
Visayas, Capiz,
Kumusta
Rojas
Cebu?
City, Iloilo, Palawan,
Ikaw,
Manila. Yeah.
Sa Cebu.
Ay, na-miss na namin ang Manila, of course. Manila, Philippines. O, sige. See you again sa aming future live.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're gonna do live.
See you
Yes.
online.
Gusto ko yung live.
So, ingat pa kayo lagi. God bless everyone.
God bless everyone.
Thank you
Mag-ingat kayo.
for watching.
Always pray.
Okay.